And on the 8th day of Christmas, Santa brought to me 8 niacinamide serums, including 2 new ones, one from Glow Recipe. I'm terrible. I should never have been a singer. I guess I never was a singer, but I think my future in singing will be over, or is over. But anyway. Okay, so I've got my favorite niacinamide serums from 2020, and it seems like they've been really becoming popular. People know how great niacinamide is. Niacinamide is the do-everything ingredient. There's few ingredients that are, well, vitamin C is good as well, but niacinamide is one of those things that can do almost everything. It helps with pore size. It's anti-acne. It helps your skin barrier. It helps keep your skin hydrated. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It is the multitasking ingredient. So if you don't use a niacinamide serum or use a product with a good amount of niacinamide in it, I highly recommend you do so or start finding one because it will do a lot of good for your skin. So that being said, there's been 2 new niacinamide releases that I'm aware of recently. Glow Recipe just came out with theirs and First Aid Beauty. First, I'll talk about the Glow Recipe one really quick. It's okay. It has this bit of a film forming texture to it and a bit of like an oily texture to it and the fragrance. So I have a feeling if you have very acne prone skin, this might not be the best one, or if you have very sensitive skin. It just has, I don't know, the texture to it seems to set to like a radiant finish. And it is just, the scent is like watermelon, like everything else. My dog loves it. But it just feels like it takes forever to absorb. And then once it does, it's not tacky, but it has like, it feels like there's like a film on your skin. So I'm not sure I love it. I'll certainly review it more, but this is not one of my favorites so far. But I haven't had much of a chance to use it. So then let me talk about the new First Aid Beauty one, which I actually really am enjoying. I've only had it for a week and a half now, so I'll certainly do a full review of it. But I'm really enjoying it. The texture is really nice. It layers well. It plays well with other products. I think it's got 10% niacinamide. Let me double check. What do they say? Well, niacinamide is the second ingredient, so I'm thinking it's 10%, although I don't mention it anywhere. But I think it's 10%, which is about a good range. A lot of niacinamide studies that show all the good benefits of it are usually done on a concentration about 5%. So 5% is a good percent. 10% is up there. There's a lot of ones now that are out with 20%, which for some people can be a bit much. Occasionally 20% can do okay for my skin, but I can't use a 20% serum every day because it's just too much. That being said, let me go into my second favorite, which is the Face Theory Porebright N20. They also have an N10 serum, which this one contains azelaic acid and niacinamide. This one, obviously, the N20 is 20% niacinamide, which I can use once or twice a week, and it's fine. I can't use it every day in a row because I find it to be a little bit drying. I'm going to check out their N10 serum next because I have a feeling that one will be one I can use every day. But this one I really do like because it's got, for me, it kind of kills 2 birds with 1 stone because I like to use azelaic acid every other day in my skincare routine. So this one's nice for every other day, and it's got the niacinamide in them and no fragrance. Okay, another favorite, the Fourth Ray Beauty Remedy Niacinamide Serum, 10%. The only thing I don't like about this one is the colorant that they put in there, which is kind of acneogenic, although it's at the very bottom of the ingredient list. They didn't need the yellow, but I get it. It looks nice. So this one's really light, water-based, no fragrance, no other alcohol, and really a nice product, a nice niacinamide product. Another newer one that I've had a few months to try, the Manyo Galactomy Niacin Essence. This one has a liquid, like a super watery liquid texture, but you can apply it as an essence right after toning your skin, so you don't necessarily have to layer it like a serum, and absorbs, and then you can go on to thicker skincare products. So this one's really nice if you want something that's an essence, or if you already have other serums in your routine and you don't want to put another serum in there, this one's nice because it's got the essence texture to it. And Geek and Gorgeous, they've done an amazing job. They really have. I highly recommend you check this brand out. They've got their APAD serum is amazing. Their retinol is amazing. Their hydrating serum is great. Their vitamin C serum is great. And obviously their niacinamide serum is awesome as well. 10%, which is nice. Nice liquid texture, which absorbs quickly. No fragrance, no alcohol. Super affordable. I highly recommend if you want to buy from the brand. So you can hit the free shipping. I think you can almost buy every product and then for like $70 hit the free shipping. Or you can just buy a bunch of their FAB serum, which I love. So anyway, they've done an amazing job. And this one's great, no less. This one is probably going to be the biggest fan favorite. The Ordinary Niacinamide and Zinc. I like it occasionally. I do find it slightly drying. I have feelings because it's from that zinc, but a lot of people with very acne prone skin have found this works miracles. It's still a really nice one, super affordable, although the next one is the most affordable, but this one's great for acne prone skin. No fragrance, no alcohol, affordable. They also have a super size now too. The Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum I also love. There's so many I love. It's so hard to narrow it down. That's crazy, but this one's great. Water texture. This one's pretty similar to the Ordinary product. No fragrance, no alcohol, very affordable. Layers well. Layers a bit better than the Ordinary one. The Ordinary one, for me, it can occasionally pill or sometimes kind of flake a bit. This one I haven't had that issue at all with, so I love this one from Good Molecules. It's a showstopper. And then another new one to me this year, the Tiam, what do they call this? The Vita B3 Source. This one's got a good amount of niacinamide in it. Actually, somehow, I don't know how, this has got 10% niacinamide, also has arbutin in it, licorice root, and then sodium hyaluronic towards the end. So this one's got a lot of good beneficial ingredients in there. Somehow I end up with like 3 boxes of this. I don't know. Sometimes I go crazy and excited and buy something, then it shows up like the next month in the beauty box I subscribe to. I think that's what happened with this one. But anyway, certainly a nice one worth checking out. Water texture, no fragrance, no alcohol. Also pretty affordable as well. And if you want a K-Beauty option, this one or the Manyo are both great. So those are my Santa's Niacinamide Serums he brought to me. Okay. So I'm interested in hearing from you guys what your favorite niacinamide serums of 2020 were, or if you've had a chance to try either of the new ones, or if you have one I didn't talk about. Definitely leave a comment. There's not a lack of awesome niacinamide products out there. That is for sure. So anyway, I love hearing from you guys, and I will see you more tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.